Now on Windows Home Server, we're going to add a program and then later remove this program. I'm going to insert the disk into the CD-ROM drive. And then Windows Home Server should automatically do autoplay with this. So we're just going to wait just a few seconds. Another way that we could actually install this program is going from the start, My Computer, and then we'll click on the CD-ROM drive. We'll just give it a few seconds. We'll leave that as the program file. We'll just do a minimum installation. We'll just let this load up. And then we'll finish. Now Microsoft Word. Is completely installed on here. Excuse me, Microsoft Works. We'll go to Start, All Programs. And then Microsoft Works. And we'll just double check to see if it works. We'll just agree. We'll register later. And no. And then actually it works. And that's how we install a program on Windows Home Server. Click out of here. No, we do not want to save the changes. Now let's go to Add Remove a Program. Go Start, Control Panel. And we're going to look for Settings. So 1 second, let us find this right now. We're trying to add remove a program. There we go. It was just hiding from us right there. Add remove. There we go. Now it's one of the printers that we had on here. And let's just scroll down until we find what we're looking for. Microsoft and we have successfully uninstalled a program in Windows Home Server. With Windows Home Server, we're going to add a printer, and we can do this by going to Shared Folders on Server, or we can go to Control Panel from the Start menu. But we'll just go from the Shared Folders on Server, Printers and Faxes, add a printer, click Next, Next. Now Windows Home Service is looking for any plug and play, which it did not detect. We will connect Next, since this is the type of port that we're going to be looking for. This is the serial port. And let's say we have the Epson 600 Quebec Echo Sierra Charlie / Papa 2. Let's name it just Epson 600. Say it's Windows Home Server. You don't have to add any comments. Let us not click a test. And then we have completed the adding a printer. And now the Windows Home Server is going to download the drivers for it. And we have finished installing a printer on Windows Home Server. And then let us just make sure that we're making everything just right. And it is the default printer right there. So everything is perfect. And that is how you install a printer on Windows Home Server. With Windows Home Server, I want to talk about the basic configurations. This is very simple. Click on the desktop, right click, and click Properties. Then we have different type of themes here. Got the Windows Classic. We'll just keep it on to the current theme. And then on the background, on the desktop, we can change we'll keep it like that. The screensavers, we have different type of names right here that we can change. Very nice features. More other features that we could change, like the style right here, and we can actually upload more through the internet. And then the resolution that we want if possible. We'll just hit apply. Say yes. It's going to take just a second, and then there we go. We have changed the configurations of Windows Home Server. Now I'm going to talk about adding Windows Home Server to a network. With Windows Home Server, it is a little bit different right here. As I showed you back here with the shared folder and then the software, we have this we have these folders right here, the Home Server Connect software. What we do is have this software right here onto a thumb drive or a CD, either way that we can copy that to. Then we would install that on the computer within the network, and that software would direct you how to connect your Windows Home Server to the network and have each computer talk to each other. And it's a very nice feature that Windows Home Server takes control of the network and will be able to back up your system. The other way would be able to do that after we get that installed. Maybe just scroll down. Go to Start, My Computer. Then we can go to Network. And then add a network place. Scroll up. And click Next. And then we'd be able to find the network that's on here, and let's see if it is. unfortunately, is not here. Let's go through browse. Entire network, work groups, Skynet. That is what this is network's called. So fortunately, we're not able to connect to any computers at this moment until we get that software completely installed. And then once that software is installed that I was showing you, then you'd be able to connect your Windows Home server to a network.